YouTube is managed through its own dashboard called the YouTube Studio. This is where you upload all the videos. That's where you view your analytics here. So everything is basically done here. So when you monetize it here, there is another bundle that shows here to also show how much you've earned. So when you click here on earn, that's where you see where your earnings will pop up. So here they are just asking questions and stuff, but we are not really qualified to start earning from YouTube, and that's why you see that we don't have that section here. So when you have reached for the 4,000 watch hours here as requested, 4,000 watch hours, then you also need 4,000 watch hours, then 1,000 subscribers, which is a pretty simple thing when you are really focused. This is the eligibility on earning or joining the YouTube partner program. So the basics of this YouTube Studio, it's all about showing you all the analytics, all the videos, all the content from your channel. So when you want to upload a video use through the YouTube Studio, all you have to do is click here on dashboard. Then you can use this upload icon or on the create icon. So when you click on the create icon, it gives you an opportunity. It gives you an opportunity of either uploading the pre-recorded video or going live or creating a post, creating a playlist, and currently they have added the new podcast feature. So basically YouTube is now allowing podcasts on its platform. So that's one of the way you can upload video all through here, this arrow, or you can use this go live icon or this create post icon. So then we have this platform here. They will also give you the ideas how you can make your channel great. That they also give you ideas that will make you go through the steps and stuff. We show you the free music, copyright lessons. So when you want to check about copyright, this is the tab for copyright. Then you can customize your channel through the customize icon. You can add here own icons, remove them. So we have the audio library, the free audio library. So here you have lots of music to use, lots of audios. All these are free, copyright free. Even if you play one, that's called pickup. So it's free, totally free. That's totally free. So I'm just leaving to that. Or you can post that, then just search for something like you through the genre. You can search for something like hip hop, rap. Then when you apply, that's the music. That's, that's the music. That's everything you get with the settings icon here to help you to do the how to say your channel, how to say the Admob. This is the shows you the currency in which you want to earn on YouTube. Here, that's where your channel, your residence, your keywords, your future eligibility, everything is shown here. Advanced settings, upload files, permissions. Here, this is where you really add people and stuff. So to access your channel. So this is basically what I had for you today. For more of videos and stuff, don't forget to subscribe, my friend, because we really have great things for you. And let's hope that this will be one of the best that you'll be able to have from us. Thank you.